Well, I'm in a 2012 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your brake fluid. So first, make sure your hood's open, and then we'll come up right here, and you should see this reservoir right here. You could pull this whole plastic off if it's easier for you. There's just these little different screws along the ends that you can screw up to pull this off. But otherwise, you'll just unscrew this cap. And check your owner's manual and online sources. Make sure you get the proper brake fluid to add. But once you unscrew this, you just pour. You can pour directly from your jug into this hole, or with a little funnel, whatever is easier. When you're done, just screw this back on. Make sure it's nice and tight, because you don't want that to pop off for any reason or anything else to get in there. And then double check to your just fill into the max line. You don't really want to overfill your fluids. But that's it. I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.